Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here today with another skincare video. I just want to show you all how you can pretty much do a facial in the comfort of your own bathroom, which I'm in right now. So I'll be showing you all of the products that I use to get a very nice fresh face in the comfort of your own bathroom. So stay tuned. So the first item that I have here is the Nano Ionic Facial Steamer. I got this right off of Amazon. I think it was maybe about $20. And basically what you do is you plug it into the wall, you fill it with either distilled water or bottled water, and then once you plug it into the wall, it will produce steam, and this will provide a very refreshing feeling. When you use steam on your face, it opens up all of your pores so that your face can absorb any product that you put on it. So this is very good for a facial in the comfort of your own home. So I'm going to go ahead and plug this up. So you'll probably be seeing some steam in the background once I plug this up, and go ahead and heat it up and get it going as I wash my face. Okay, so y'all already know this is my Holy Grail facial cleanser. This is from Clean and Clear. This is their Essentials Foaming Facial Cleanser. So I will start with this to clean my face before we get into the other products of the facial. So here we go. Okay, so now that my face is nice and clean, I will go ahead and do the steamer. I typically only steam for about 2 to 3 minutes, really just to get your pores open so that your face can absorb the rest of the product that I'll be using. So let's get steaming. Feels so good on my face. Okay, I think that is good. What I will say is that you definitely don't want to hold the steamer too close to your face. The water does get very hot. The steam does get very hot, so you don't want it to burn your face. You just want to get it close enough to where the steam just gets all over your face and your neck. So disclaimer there, don't hold it too close to your face. Okay, the next item I'm going to use is actually a clay mask that I've never used before. I wanted to try it all with you for the first time. It is from BioAqua. This is their carbonated bubble clay mask. So what this is supposed to do is once you put it on your face, it's supposed to bubble up, and then you just wipe it off. So I'm going to go ahead and open it, show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is the jar that it comes in. It has a cute little piggy on it. It also comes with this little spatula to help spread the product all over your face. Looks gross, but we're about to put this all over our face. All right, I'm supposed to leave it on for 5 minutes, so here we go. I can't even look at myself right now. Okay, so the 5 minutes is up. As you can see, this mask has completely bubbled up. So now the instructions say that I'm supposed to work in the bubbles to my face for about a minute. So wait, I just wanna, it feels so crazy. Okay, so we're gonna work this in for about a minute, like it says. All right, let's rinse this off. This is good. This is good enough. Clean out. All right, if my face didn't look clean before, it definitely look cleans now. Feels really good as well. But now it's time to moisturize. So I'm gonna show you all my favorite moisturizer I've been using lately. All right, so the moisturizer I've been using lately is from H2O Plus Beauty. This is the Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream. Right here. I actually found this because I got a sample of it in one of my Ipsy bags like way back in the day, but I liked it so much that I actually bought a full size of it. So I've been using it ever since. Again, it's my favorite moisturizer. So I'll show you what it looks like here. It's kind of like a water gel, but not really. It's like a mixture between a water gel and just a regular moisturizing cream, but it is my favorite. So I'm gonna put some on. And to really work in my cream, I'm going to use my handy dandy Jade roller. The Jade roller feels so good on your skin. It's nice and cooling, cools your face. I even got a tip to put this in the freezer before I use it to make your face even more cool and more calming, and that definitely works. So I'm just gonna absorb the rest of it in with my hands. Don't forget your neck. And that's it. I hope you've enjoyed this do-it-yourself facial right in my bathroom. It's something that you can just do when you want to give your skin a little bit more tender love and care. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you click that notification button so you know when all of my new videos are coming out. Bye.